As a lot of you will have seen, Squarespace and menus, they don't quite work together. They're always tinkering with small parts of the menu system to either, well, in their minds, it's to make it better. But what it does is it just confuses everyone. Now, on paper, yes, it may be better. But if you like me, well, you don't like change. You like things to be exactly where they were last time you checked. And then, you come onto your Squarespace website and, oh, now assets lives under website and settings is a cog instead of saying settings. Anyway, rant over. There's a solution. If you want to find something on your Squarespace website, all you have to do is one keyboard trick. And I'm going to show you that now. So I'm on a templated site here. All I have to do is click /, and that's going to bring up the hidden search feature. And I say hidden because I've literally never seen it in the menu system itself. So this is cool. Anyway, let's say I now want to find assets because we used to have assets down here. I mean, I can clearly see it here, obviously, I'm not being stupid, but assets was here. Let's say, you just don't see it. I'm going to search for assets, asset library. And there we go. We've got the asset library here. Now, maybe I want to search for settings because I have no idea where that's gone. Well, then I can look for settings and I can go through all of the settings menu here. Now, that's probably a bit too broad. So let me go to permissions because maybe I want to add someone onto the website. So you click on this, brings permissions straight up. Maybe I want to find where a domain is, / domain. And then I can go into my domains here. And, once you've jumped into the settings menu, maybe it's a bit easier to just jump around and use this. But you can see there's just so many options for us. Like if I had to go, let's look at this user flow. We go into settings, then we go into selling. And I want to find, let's say, I don't know, business information. I've had to do 3 clicks and then I've got to put it in. If I was just to do search, I'd click / business information and you can see it there. Nice and easy, pop it in, Bob's your uncle. So that is going to save so many people who watch this video so much time. Like I didn't discover this feature for probably about 3 years and I feel stupid that I didn't. But now with all of the jiggery pokery and tinkering in the menus, I think this is the only viable way to get around quickly. Now, new users will be accustomed to this menu system, so it'll be easy for them. But if you're almost like a legacy user, this is going to be way easier. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.